Hello mga kachapopoy. So nandito ngayon tayo. May isang tanong na naman eh. Ayan no, tignan nyo. Through this tool of criminal investigation, tangible things can be used to detect crimes, identify the criminal, facilitate, and assist the investigator in its task in achieving the objectives of criminal investigation. Isa-isay natin. So ang pinag-usapan dito, sabi dyan, tools of criminal investigation. Tools. At sabi dyan, investigation of tangible things. Ano yung tangible things? Nahahawakan. Okay. Ano yung ginagamit natin ngayon to detect crimes, identify the criminal, di ba? So, may objectives kasi ang criminal investigation. Nandyan ang locate the offender, identify the offender, and provide evidence for his guilt. So, ano nga ba yung tools na ginagamit natin dyan? Ano yung information? Ang information kasi, knowledge acquired from any sources. Knowledge acquired from any sources. Sa lahat yan. Whether overt ba yan or covert. Ano naman yung criminalistics? Other term siya ng tinatawag nating instrumentation. So ano ba yung instrumentation? Application of physical sciences in investigation. So, ano yung interview or interrogation? Questioning of subject who possess the knowledge. So, maraming pa tayong dapat pag-aralan dyan, ha? So, ano yung sagot natin dyan? I-comment lang natin. Chapopoy tayo dyan.